Hello guys and welcome back to Rowan Animations. Today we're going to be talking about something weird. Well, today is my cat's second birthday. So number 2. And his name is Oscar. And I don't know pretty much anything about him now. Well, let me describe my cat. He's very lazy. He likes to hunt for like cockroaches, like flies, pretty much anything that just moves around basically. So that's pretty much my cat. Well, I have gave him some tuna today, so I guess he's not gonna be mad at me. And here's what my cat looks like. As you can see, very cute. And as I'm recording this, she's staring at me. What do you want, kitty? I think he just wants my food. Well, I think the breed that the cat is I don't know, but it's a cat. Oh my gosh. It's a Greek cat from Greece because I don't know what is quaking down there. Okay. So again, here is what my cat looks like. Very cute. And he's staring at me right now as I'm recording this. So hi. So he's 2 years old, I think. That's my theory. But whatever.